Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to complete your swap task using the Bitget Wallet. I'll also show you how to swap your tokens across different chains like Ton, Polygon, MATIC, BNB, and more. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. I upload daily videos on high-profit airdrop. Now let's get into the video. First, open your Bitget Wallet and tap the Trade button. You'll see the Swap section, where you can swap your token. For example, you can swap Ton coin to Dogecoin. I've already completed my swap, but I'll show you how to do it step by step. There are two sections, From and To. In the From section, you select the coin you want to swap, and in the To section, you select the coin you want to receive. For instance, I'm selecting Ton coin in the From section and Dogecoin in the To section, meaning I will swap my Ton coins for Dogecoin. You can also choose other coins and chains like BNB, MATIC, or Polygon. You can search for your coin using the search bar as well. Now I'm selecting Dogecoin and swapping it for Ton coins. I'll choose to swap 100% of my Ton coins, then tap Continue and wait for 5 to 6 seconds. But I don't have enough gas fees, so the Continue button is not visible. If you have enough gas fees, you can tap the Continue button and complete the swap successfully. It's important to note that if you convert coins on the Ton chain, you'll need Ton coin to pay the gas fee. Similarly, if you're converting on the BNB chain, you'll need BNB coin for gas fee. This means you need to have the native coin of the respective chain to cover the gas fee. Now I'll show you my completed swap. I'll go to the Wallet section, tap on Dogecoin, and you can see my swap transaction from a few days ago. If you follow these steps, you can easily swap your coins across different chains for any airdrops. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in the next video.